back to my channel, Simply Mama D's. Well, today I'm going to go to battle with Domino's. I'm going to do a taste test. Basically, they have two specials running right now, nationally, I suppose. $11.99 large pizza for cheeseburger pizza or a chicken taco pizza. Today, I'm taking on the cheeseburger pizza. As you can see, I've got my prepared pickles, tomatoes, and lettuce. Three things they don't have on their pizza. Also, their sauce is ketchup and mustard. I'm doing ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise because people who know me know I love my mayonnaise. I've already got my pre-made dough waiting, and the delivery of Domino's is on its way, and we're going to taste test and see which is better. All right, everyone, so now what I have here is a pre-made mix of the mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. I've mixed it thoroughly. That will be our base for our sauce for our homemade cheeseburger pizza. Now we're waiting. I've already pre-made, or not pre-made, sorry. I actually have our pizza in the oven. I topped it with 3 hamburger patties that are grass-fed ground beef from Costco, seasoned with Worcestershire sauce, seasoning salt, garlic, and pepper. And I added Asiago blend from Trader Joe's, which is like that provolone factor like Domino's has, plus extra cheeses like Fontina and Asiago. And then I also added Colby Jack and medium cheddar as well. And the Domino's pizza has arrived, and here's what it looks like. I'm already not a fan. I did forget to ask for thin crust. However, it looks like a lot of dough, and I'm not quite sure what else. Cheese maybe. Guess it's National Cheese Pizza Day, so I guess that counts. So I think I'm gonna kick this pizza up a notch for cheeseburger pizza because everybody knows the best cheeseburgers, well, what do they have? Bacon, and I have already pre-cooked bacon from the fridge. So I'm gonna crumble this up and put it on there. Not all of this, but some of it. It's gonna be delicious. You now have our finished cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger pizza. And we did try to put a little bit of sesame seeds around the edges of the crust. They didn't all stick. We could have put it in the dough, but that would have been weird. Now I'm going to top it with the lettuce and the pickles and the tomatoes. I didn't want those cooked because on a burger, they're not cooked. So I want it to taste really more authentically like a burger. This is the kiddos pizza plate. They've got some honeydew and they've got Domino's and mine. We'll be taste testing it together and you'll be hearing us comment about which one's better. Domino's. Go. Right now I'm about to try the Domino's pizza. I realize now looking at it, the only thing I forgot to put on mine is onions. It does taste like a cheeseburger, but
it just tastes like a basic kids one.
Like a basic kids cheeseburger, nothing special. The only thing that stands out really is the onions. Mm-hmm. It's almost like the onions compete for flavor, so I'm kind of glad I didn't put onions. Now I'm going to try mine fresh out of the oven. It's a little bit thicker, so I've got to bend down to eat it. Oh my gosh. Now that is a cheeseburger pizza.
Yes, it tastes really good.
Wow. Taste the pickles, the bacon, the lettuce, the tomato, all the different cheeses, and the mayonnaise kicks it up a notch so it's not so acidic. It is so good. Like, It's really good. I might have to make this on a regular occasion now. And I didn't even dip it in the extra sauce I saved because it's so flavorful. Which one won? Taste test wise? Domino's. And for more flavorful palates, simply Mama D's.